I've been with Dr. Anderson now for 14 years or more, and she is just the best dentist I have ever come across. She's so good with my children. I have all the way from 6 years old up to 19, and my family absolutely adores her. And it's not a torture to come to the dentist. I mean, nobody, I don't think, wants to come to the dentist to get their teeth cleaned and get work done, but she makes it absolutely as painless as possible. It's just so nice to be able to know that you're in good hands and be with a doctor that is as great as she is.
My first experience with Dr. Anderson was when she was actually a substitute. She joined another dentist in a partnership. I thought, wait a minute, how come I'm getting this new person instead of a regular guy? But it only took minutes before I was glad to have her. In particular, right away I learned that she had a really good touch. It made things comfortable. Starting then and since, she's made it a pleasant experience. And it's almost unbelievable, but I actually look forward sometimes to going to the dentist now.
Dr. Anderson is so warm and the staff is so warm that I don't fear going to the dentist, because I know that when I leave, my teeth are going to be better and my overall health will be better. I truly believe that she cares about my teeth and that I have a good experience all the way around.
I mean, every time I've interacted with Dr. Anderson and her staff, they've been friendly, they've been kind. Dr. Anderson herself is just like a wonderful person just to get to know. Her smile is beautiful. You always think that every time she talks to you, it's like a genuine concern. She always remembers me, my wife, my daughter, my son. When you think about somebody you want to have your care with, you want to be with someone who at least thinks about you and remembers your face.
One thing that I noticed right away about Dr. Anderson was her preparation and attention to detail. She had done so much pre-work so that going into the treatments that everything was in order and was a pretty in-depth, potentially painful experience. And I actually, in one phase of the treatment, fell asleep because I was, had an appropriate amount of medication and felt relaxed and comfortable enough. And so it kind of woke me up when it was done. So that's never a bad thing when you're having dental work.
I think the staff here, Dr. Anderson, the kind of staff that she surrounds herself with, have just been exceptional. And I've seen her practice grow over the years, and I just have appreciated the professionalism that she has exhibited over time.
It was very clear from the very beginning that she really knew what she was doing, and she had a very nice touch. And so it'd be very difficult to convince me to go anywhere else now.
From the time you walk in the door, her staff is phenomenal, and you feel comfortable, and they answer questions when you have questions. If they don't have the answer, they find the answer. So it would be a place that I would recommend to anyone.
I recommend them often, and I am really grateful to have met Dr. Anderson over the years and have her become part of my little teeth family.